One mistake can stop your income. If your NISM certificate expires, your commission stops. Yes, completely stops. Is your ARN card validity is ending soon and you don't know what to do next? Do not ignore this. In this video, I will show you the complete step-by-step process to renew your NISM certificate and ARN card in the easiest way. Let's get started. First, you need to understand one important thing. Your NISM Series V-A certificate is valid for only 3 years and your ARN card is also linked to this validity. So before your certificate expires, you must renew it. Otherwise, your ARN will become inactive and you won't be able to earn commissions. Now let's talk about the renewal. First, complete the CPE program. CPE means Continuing Professional Education. This is a short training program available both online and offline, where you do not need to give any tough exam. After completing it, your certification gets renewed for another 3 years. Now let's move to ARN renewal. Once your NISM certificate is renewed, the next step is to renew your ARN card. For ARN renewal, you need to apply through AMFI. Also remember this, if your NISM certificate is already expired, you cannot opt for CPE. You must clear the NISM Mutual Fund Distributor certification again. Only after that can you renew your ARN. So timing is very important here. Let me quickly summarize the steps. Step 1. Check your certificate expiry date. Step 2. Renew via exam or CPE program. Step 3. Apply for ARN renewal on AMFI portal. Step 4. Complete payment and documentation and your certification and ARN will be active again. Important points to remember. Complete your CPE program anytime up to 12 months before expiry to stay ahead of schedule. Apply for ARN renewal on the AMFI portal within the 6-month window before your card expires. Renew within 3 months of expiry to avoid permanently losing your pending commissions. Ensure your KYD status is updated or AMFI will reject your renewal application. Remember that once a certificate expires, you must retake the exam as the CPE option is no longer available. If you want to pass your NISM exam easily or understand all these processes step by step, visit our website www.nismexams.in. You will get complete guidance, updated mock test, video lectures, and anything you need to succeed. Link is in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe the channel for more informative videos.